Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair video. As you guys can see, another day of me taming this hair, okay? If you guys don't know, I do have natural hair and my hair is 4C. So today I'm going to be doing a little silk press at home. I do plan on trimming my ends a little bit just to see where the dead ends are and stuff like that. So I washed my hair already and I have my conditioner in my hair, so I'm going to put this little cap on just to leave it on and let it really stay for a while. I'm probably going to keep it in for like 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash it out just to make sure that my hair is really moisturized. Yeah, my hair really struggles with moisture, so I just want to make sure that it's really moisturized before I do this style. But yeah, 4C hair is no joke, guys. If you have 4C hair, you already know it's no joke. So you really have to do the steps necessary to make sure that it's nice and moisturized. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like as you watch. And if you like this channel, definitely subscribe as well. Hit that subscribe button down below. I'm almost to 2K subscribers, guys, so definitely join the gang and support your girl, okay? So I'm going to put on my, let me put this down. I'm gonna put on my little shower cap. And leave this in for like 30 minutes while I watch the season finale of Love Island season 6 though. I already saw season 7 and I was like obsessed. So I'm like, let me see season 6 and see what it's about, and I'm still obsessed. So it's like, what season should I watch next? Comment down below and tell me what season I should watch next of Love Island if you're, you know, a Love Island person. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep this on for 30 minutes and watch my show, and then I'm gonna wash it out and get right back to you guys. See you soon. Finish washing out that conditioner, and I'm drying my hair with a shirt. So this is like an old raggedy shirt, but you want to dry your natural hair with like a shirt, a cotton shirt, because the towel takes away, like the towel just makes your hair really dry, and the cotton shirt actually keeps in the moisture in your hair. So that's like a tip that you guys should definitely try. Like, try drying your hair with a shirt instead of a towel, because the towel is very drying. I don't want to be living in a life where like I'm ashamed of my natural hair, or I'm like just struggling with it. I want it to be something that I embrace. You know, right here it may look a little crazy, but it's okay because it's my hair. It's okay. We're gonna get it done. We don't have to be ashamed of it. We just gotta learn how to tame it and take care of it. That's all. So that's what we're gonna do today. Okay. It's pretty dry. Alright guys, I'm back again. I have this little brush that I'm going to be using. This is the brush, and I'm going to use it with my blow dryer. I'm going to start with the heat protectant. Hold on, I gotta get it. This is the Chi heat protectant. And I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. And this is really all I'm going to use, to be honest, is a heat protectant. That's it. Because I want it to be as silky as possible. So that's in there. So these are my little sections. The back, I didn't even bother to section out because that's like the shortest. I'm not even dealing with that. But we're gonna take this little section right here. Probably make another little section. And the key to really doing your hair is just taking your time, y'all. Just take your time. Make sure you have time to do it. Don't rush it. And it'll come out the way you want it to. So I'm going to take my brush and see if I can do what the Dominicans do. I don't know. This is my first time doing it with this brush, so bear with me, okay? You know what? Am I doing this right? Like
feel it, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby? Can you feel me, baby?
So my scalp feels nice and free. That was the point of the blow dryer. So my ends are still pretty like not straight, but it's okay because I'm gonna flat iron it. So less heat as possible. Alright guys, the remainder of this video is going to be a voiceover because I ended up being on the phone with my boyfriend. So yeah, right now I'm just adding some more heat protectant to my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the flat iron process. So right now I'm taking my mini titanium flat iron. You want to get a titanium flat iron because it's the best for 4C coarse hair, and it doesn't damage it as much as the other type of flat iron. So I only use titanium, and I'm taking that same Dominican hairbrush and really passing it through with that so I could really get it super straight. I felt like this really helped me get my hair really straight, to be honest, rather than a rat tail comb. So definitely try this next time. Well, I try to go for my hair like at least twice, I would say, with the flat iron because it really takes a lot for my hair to really get straight. So I got to do it at least twice, sometimes 3 times if I really didn't get it straight enough. But yeah, this brush definitely helped. You want to get really small sections, guys, and really just take your time with this. It's going to take a while, but the end result is definitely going to be worth it. So just take your time and really take each section by section. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below, guys. I'm almost to 2K subscribers, so if you guys are still here watching my video, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to make it, guys, to 2K. Like, I'm getting there. I'm really getting there. I'm really trying to post videos for you guys and stay consistent, so definitely support your girl. But yeah, we're just gonna go through this hair, and when we're done, we are going to trim as well. So I'm just gonna play some music for you guys while you watch me flat iron this 4C hair. You got potential. Body down for me. Tell me, baby, will you slide for me? Eat the Glock 40, holding it down for me. I know you're good in the hood, but a couple just for me, yeah. When I'm running low, will you still cover for me? One bands to make me feel lovely. Let don't go where you still think of me. I need to know for sure, 'cause you got potential. right, so now that I'm done flat iron my hair, I'm also going to trim the ends so it could be a little more flowing. Like the dead ends really make your hair not flow as good as it's supposed to. So I'm just going through my hair and just trimming off the ends of what I see. I am not a professional by any means, and I probably shouldn't really even be doing this at all, but you know, we gotta save our coins and do certain things for ourselves at home. So I'm trimming my ends the best way that I can. I'm really just combing through my hair and just seeing where the split ends are, and then just cutting off the bare minimum. And after doing this, it really makes my hair easier to comb through. So you definitely see results when you do that. And hopefully when I do my next style, it'll grow even longer because I trimmed my ends. So that's why I like doing that. Y'all, like, I really should not be trimming my ends myself, but I be just doing whatever to my hair. No, if you guys have advice on like how to deal with 4C hair, how to make it grow, because like I just feel like my hair be so stagnant sometimes, and it's so annoying because I'm like, I want to reach higher heights with my hair, but it's just not giving what it's supposed to give. You know, I try my best. I try to moisturize it. I try to deep condition. I try to put protective styles. Like, it's like, what can I do? Am I just out of luck? Like, is it just genetics? Yeah. If you are 4C hair girly, just give me some advice down below, please. Please. Alright, so now that my hair is nice and flat ironed and trimmed, as you guys can see, the movement is there now. Now I'm going with my bigger titanium flat iron, and I'm just creating little bumps in my hair just to give it a little body, a little definition, a little curl, you know, make it look like something, look like a style. So I like to put these little curls in my hair, and then I also take a wide tooth comb just to comb out the curls as well. And yeah, that's normally what I do, guys. Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Nothing but Right, so now we're gonna take some selfies because why not, you know, just taking a few selfies, maybe for my thumbnail or whatever. And yeah, this is my straight and 4C hair, guys. 4C hair is no joke, y'all. It's really no joke. So this was really a process, and you know, it's gonna stay straight for a couple days, and I'm probably gonna put in like a nice little curly fro at some point, but I just like to get it straight every once in a while just so I could see my ends and trim it and do all that wonderful stuff. So yeah, the next thing I'm gonna do is just wrap it up. So I'm just gonna comb all the hair, and I'm just gonna take my brush and just wrap my hair in the direction of where I want it to go. So with this, it really comes practice, but you really just want to wrap your hair around and hold it in place as you're wrapping, if that makes sense. So hold it in place as you're wrapping, and then you want to start taking your bobby pins and just secure it in place. And this keeps your hair flat around the perimeter of your head so that when you take it out in the morning, it's still flat and it's not bent up and stuff. So that's the purpose of really wrapping your hair at night, so it could still be straight in the morning. So I went over with my hard brush as well, just to make sure that's really flat, and then I kind of alternated and just added bobby pins as I went. I didn't have a lot of bobby pins this day, but I did go to the store the next day to get some more, so that I could be able to pin it up the next day as well. So, but it was still good the next day. So yeah, guys, that is really it for this hair tutorial. I hope this was helpful for anyone out there who's struggling with their 4C hair and they need, you know, to know how to tame it. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.